Ladies and gentlemen, for the last 16 days, we have consistently said here at the Republic Media Network that this farmers' agitation cannot be allowed to become a Shaheen Bagh type protest. Tonight, there is evidence that there is an attempt to make this protest a ground for anti-India activities by using our farmers as a front. Here is the full dossier on how the left-wing Maoist sympathizers and the Tukre Tukre Brigade have been surreptitiously and stealthily been trying to take over, and then we debate.
On December 10th, when posters demanding release of Sharjeel Imam, Umar Khalid, Varavara Rao and Sudha Bhardwaj emerged at the Tikri border, the left lobby agenda became clear.
अगर ये डिमांड और ये पोस्टरबाजी अगर वहाँ हो रही है तो मैं किसान यूनियन के नेताओं से कहना चाहता हूँ कि इससे बचना चाहिए और ये किसान आंदोलन को बिखेरने की कार्रवाई।
Intel sources have revealed a dangerous plot of the left-wing extremist group under the garb of farmers' protest.
Farmer protests are being misused by certain anti-national elements. The many slogans which are being raised from these platforms are not of farmers. There was only one demand by the farmers, and that was MSP, and the government was ready to give a written assurance on it. But then came another demand. That was the Mandi system should be in place. Government said, okay. But then these anti-nationals saw that slight opportunity to hit back at the central government by using, or should we say, misusing this platform.
Republic has accessed a dossier that shows how some left-wing activists and those with motivated interests are masquerading as farmers to push their agenda. Kavita Kuruganthi, a 50-year-old activist from Andhra Pradesh, has been camping in Narela for the protest. Sources say she has been coordinating internal discussions and agenda of farmers meeting with the government. She has been coordinating with representatives of various states and mobilizing people to participate in the agitation in the Haryana-Delhi border and has her own agenda in spearheading a campaign for banning a particular mobile network. Yogendra Yadav is another prominent face seen at the farmers' protest.
अब आप देख लीजिए ये जो हजारों लाखों लोग इस वक्त हैं जो मीलों मील तक खड़े हुए हैं शांति से अपनी ट्रैक्टर ट्रॉली में बैठे हैं मैं नहीं बोलूंगा आप जाके चेक कर लीजिए इसमें कितने बिचौलिए हैं
Sources say he has been instigating farmers to not cooperate with the government and is also believed to be the brains behind the farmers' demands. Darshan Pal, member of Krantikari Kisan Union, is known for his close links with the CPI Maoist faction and is suspected to have participated in left-wing extremist activities. Ajmer Singh Lakhowal, who is part of the protests, is believed to be a sympathizer of Indira's assassins and in 1999 was arrested for cheating farmers in tractor deal. Hanan Mola, who is a member of Kul Hind Kisan Sangharsh Talmel Committee, is affiliated to Communist Party of India Marxist and has been a member of parliament for close to 20 years.
जिन लोगों को ये सब अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि भारत का किसान भी समृद्धि का स्वाद चख सके, वे लोग इस प्रकार के आंदोलन को भड़का करके अव्यवस्था और अराजकता पैदा करना चाहते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि अव्यवस्था और अराजकता भारत की जनता स्वीकार नहीं करेगी.
The farmers have rejected these vested interest groups who want to use the platform to push their agenda.
किसान आंदोलन कोई हिस्सा नहीं जो देशद्रोही वो कर रहे हैं वो उनका अलग मैटर है हमारा उस मैटर से कोई मतलब नहीं है.
The government machinery is working overtime to allay the concerns of the farmers and with a strong resolve for solution via talks, the message to Tukre lobby should be clear. There is no place for anarchy. Let's debate.